Hi everyone, my name is Seferino Esparza. I am the Acquisition and Reference Associate here at the library. Today I want to do a short presentation on key concept for searching a database. In this presentation, I want to look at Boolean operators. Now, what do I mean by Boolean operators? Well, it's basically the relationship between terms or words in a search. This is significant because it will determine how many and what kind of results you will end up with. These operators will help to give you many results or can help narrow your results depending on your search needs. For example, let's say you want to know why Jonah, the Hebrew prophet, ran away instead of going to Nineveh, to the ancient capital of the Assyrian Empire. Boolean operators will help gather, or in some cases, exclude information by searching every word in a record. Now, the Boolean search operators are and, or, and not. And combines search terms so that each search result contains all of the terms. Let's take a look at an example. In this diagram, the first circle, the one in red, is a search term Nineveh. The other circle, the one in green, is a search term Jonah. So our search inquiry will look like this: Nineveh and Jonah. So what does this mean as far as our results look like? Well, let's say Nineveh has 100 results and Jonah has 100 results. The Boolean operator AND is where the two terms overlap, which in this case could possibly only give us 30 results. Therefore, the AND operator narrows our results. Now, the Boolean operator OR combines search terms so that each search result contains at least one of the terms or both of the terms. It will look something like this, and also something like this if we were to type it in: Nineveh or Jonah. Using the same search terms as we did before, our results will increase because the search term is including all of Nineveh and all of Jonah. So in this case, Nineveh has 100 results, Jonah has 100 results, and we have a total of 200 results. Therefore, the OR operator expands our results. Next, the Boolean operator NOT excludes term so that each search result does not contain any of the terms that follow it. Let's say you want results on Nineveh, but nothing that is connected on Jonah in the record. It would look like this as a diagram. In this case, we will only have 100 results total. Therefore, the NOT operator will also narrow the results. Lastly, I want to let you know that there is a numeric order if you were to use two or more of the Boolean operator. Not goes first, and goes second, or goes last. This is called the order of operation, and in general, it is the standard order for processing Boolean operators. Now, before I end this presentation, I also want to show you one more thing. If we introduce parentheses to the equation, it could look like this. You can enclose search terms and their operators in parentheses to specify the order in which they are to be interpreted. In this example, we can see the parentheses enclose Nineveh or Assyria, meaning the search inquiry will begin with the parentheses and then continue with the other operators, in this case, and Jonah. Well, I hope this has helped simplify your search and understanding of some basic search techniques. Until next time, bye.